In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Calendly in your email signature, giving you a smooth way to share your availability and schedule appointments directly from your emails. Let's dive right into the process and get you all set up. First, we need to set the stage by heading over to the Calendly website. Go ahead and open your web browser and visit calendly.com. It's a straightforward first step that gives you access to the powerful features Calendly offers, making scheduling an effortless task. Once you're at the main dashboard in Calendly, the next thing you'll want to do is copy your main scheduling link. It's typically formatted like this: calendly.com/your name. This link is your virtual assistant, providing others with direct access to your available time slots and making the entire process of arranging meetings incredibly seamless and professional. Now let's integrate that link into your email signature, specifically for Gmail, as it's a popular platform that many people use. Start by opening Gmail on your computer. In the upper right-hand corner, click on the settings icon. It's represented by a little gear or cog, and from there, select See All Settings. This area of Gmail allows you to customize the way your emails function and look. Scroll through the settings until you reach the signature section. This section is where you'll bring your new scheduling prowess to life. Here you can add a personalized message inviting recipients to schedule a call or meeting with you. A common phrase could be something as simple as "schedule a call with me." This sets an inviting tone and provides clarity on the next step for the recipient. Next, it's time to hyperlink the text with your Calendly link. Start by highlighting the text you just typed and then look for the link icon. It's typically designed to resemble a chain link. Click on that and a small window will prompt you to provide the URL. This is where you paste your Calendly link. After pasting the link, confirm by clicking OK to finalize the hyperlinking process. This action empowers anyone from business colleagues to potential clients to easily schedule time with you just by clicking the link directly from your emails. Finally, make sure all your hard work is saved. Scroll down, find the Save Changes button, and give it a click. This ensures that every email you send henceforth will feature your handy Calendly link, enhancing communication efficiency and professionalism in your digital correspondence. And there you have it. You've now successfully integrated your Calendly scheduling link into your Gmail signature. This small yet effective addition can make a world of difference in how you manage your schedule and interact professionally. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide helps make your scheduling process smoother and more efficient. Happy scheduling!